CosXPo is an immersive cosplay event for anyone interested in cosplay from any background, any experience level and any age. It's a learning event which just brings a load of people together. So cosplayers, photographers, people who've never done it before. It's just a great way to network and create something amazing with new people.
A lot of us have been to events, Comic-Cons, whatever else, for a lot of years. And we have all noticed that there is a lack of knowledge sharing to people who haven't started with cosplay before.
I think when I first started out with cosplay, I learned most things through Googling stuff, going onto YouTube, having to ask around. There wasn't really anything out there that had those skilled mentors to just teach me kind of as I was doing it. We were all going to conventions all the time and we realised there was a gap and we decided to fill it.
For people who come to CosXPo, it's an achievement for us if everyone just took away at least one new skill by the end of the weekend.
So we have a number of panels, a number of workshops where you can get really hands-on and experiment with different materials and different crafting techniques that you wouldn't get to experience otherwise.
Get together and use our amazing grounds or our sets to create some wonderful pictures. You can also try anything from electronics to creating your own bodice pattern, something you've never tried before.
I work in the costuming industry, so I've picked up a number of techniques and skills over the years, and CosXPo is the place where I can share these with other cosplayers.
I think that CosXPo is different from other events because it offers so many different options of things that you can do. So whether you're competitive, we have an amazing cosplay competition that you can enter.
Competitors will compete for a custom-made trophy, designed and built completely from scratch, as well as some awesome prizes.
We let our attendees get really involved in everything, whether that's workshops, speaking to our senpais and mentors, or getting involved and making something that you can actually take home.
The CosXPo team consists of people who are really in love with cosplay. They love the crafting side, they love the community, making new friends.
So we're cosplayers, we're photographers, and we're creating an event that we'd want to go to.
I think you get something great from working really hard on something with a lot of other amazing people and just seeing how many people enjoyed it at the end of it. Like the feedback we get just makes you want to do better year on year.
Whether you are a pro or just a complete newbie, you can have the most wonderful time and meet some really amazing people.